Do you know where the city of cats is? You won't believe it, but this city has over 2 million cats. It's a city unlike anything you've ever seen. But before I reveal the name, first, if you've ever walked into a glass door, like and subscribe. If not, you must have X-ray vision. In this city, the cats are no ordinary residents. Some are subway security guards, they've got jobs. Others guide people to escalators, and many patrol the trains. They're official residents with tiny houses on the streets, hungry. They just stroll into shops and get food from kind shopkeepers. Where is this cat paradise? It's Istanbul.